Welcome back, peeps. 2013 Dodge Journey SXT Crew, ready to go. This is a one-owner unit with a perfect Carfax with a third row seat, ice cold air conditioning. This one has the digital climate. You're gonna have rear air controls, factory alloy wheels, privacy glass, luggage racks. Super nice car, folks, and it's clean. It's like brand spanking new. I took this car out. I've driven it over 100 miles. It drives fantastic. It's phenomenal gas mileage. Everybody rides in this piece. Guaranteed credit approvals in full effect on this unit. And you're at $795 starting down. By the way, this vehicle has 78,000 original miles, perfect Carfax certification, and as I can show you, she's clean. And she's here, DasCleveland.com, $795 guaranteed credit approval, and that's your starting down payment on this lady. Come on down, DasCleveland.com.